Hello, welcome to my channel. I am going to give you an update information on hiding strength and color. In my previous tutorial video how to create boning in clo3d, I have mentioned when you strengthen pattern pieces, the yellow strengthen color will show during animation. Here is the way you can fix the issue. Thanks to one of our viewers Miriam who shared this tip. So, here is how you can do it. I have uploaded the same example dress that I created for the boning tutorial. To hide the strengthen color, go to 3D window. Right-click any place within 3D window area to bring out the options window. Go to show hide color. And you will have the option to hide the color of freeze, strengthen, solidify and layers. Or you can hide it all. Once I selected hide strengthen color, let me choose a motion and go to animation window. And there. The yellow strengthen color will not appear in animation window. Here is how the runway result after hiding strengthen color. Thank you for watching and feel free to leave comments and share any new clo3d update information. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.